There are so many tools out there. I'm gonna show you how to use your lathe and mill with a minimum of well-organized existing and invented quality tools, like the rotary controller. This is my Lathe and mill combi. I've made modifications, so let's start with a quick overview. Combi modifications in general are cool white LED strips, like this one, on the bottom for the lathe and the mill work. And I also have a beamer light of 20 watts, so you can see it. It's installed right here, and it works fine, but also reflects a lot of light in the eye while working, so it's very bright. You can see it like that, so it's not all that ideal. Then I have a cooling fan with nozzle, 3 types, 2 cooling fans, one for the tool and one for the object turning or milling, and it is mounted on this computer fan, and it is adjustable too, so I will light it and speed it. You can hear it coming, and it will give a lot of cooling out of the nozzle, enough for the turning and the tool cooling, and it works fine. And the third nozzle over here is connected via this adapter I made, with a tube going all over here with cutting fluid in it, so I can adjust the amount of cutting fluid with this valve, and it drips on the object that I'm working on. Then I have also bought this lot with a simple wrench to loosen the tail and fasten the tail like this, but that didn't work for me. It's too annoying, so I bought one of these, a ratchet wrench, so I can loosen it and fasten it like this. But when you leave it in there, it's just annoying. You can hit it and it's very long, so I bought a set of these small ones, and they are a lot easier to work with, so I can leave it in there like this. I can fasten it so it doesn't move. I can loosen it very quick and go over there, turn it around and fasten it like that. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward to work with it. So I leave it in there. Then I have the lock handles. You can see it on top of this, and the lock was sold with handles like this one on this place and on this place, so I removed it and changed it with a lock handle, and it's much easier to work with because you can lift it up, turn it and lock it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with those tool posts, because I change the tool post quite often, because I have several tool posts, one for metal and one for special, and one for plastics and one for internal. I will show you the tool later. But how to change the tool post? We take the lock lever and turn it around, loosen it, take out the pressure rings like this, remove the tool post, put in the metal tool post, put back the pressure plate, and just put on the lock lever again and tighten it. And now you see what's the problem, because this is a combi I have trouble when using the table for the mill. This is in the way because this is going lower and knocks down on the lock handles. So therefore you lift it up, turn it around, and now it's not in the way anymore. So it works quite well. The other advantages I make is I always work with those inserts, so I don't have to sharpen the inserts. This is the tool drawer for all lathe and mill essential tools needed. These will increase while projects get complicated, of course. I have the tool post over here. 4 tool posts, one for metal, one for plastics, one for special jobs, and one for internal lathe work. The tool posts have 4 tools in it. So this one is for left turning, right turning, the chamfer, and the cutting tool. Same is mounted on the tool post for plastic. Then I have the special tools for rounding, outer rounds, inner rounds, knurling tool, and the thread tool. This one is the thread tool for internal. This one is for the internal diameter short, internal diameter long. Then I have several sets. I have here the mill bits for metal, the drill bits for plastics, key broaches over here. I have thread dies over here, the thread tabs with drills over here, the metal drills, several saws for the cutting arbor, the thread arbor over here, the drill chuck, large, small, life center, large, small, honing device. I have the inserts for all these tools over here, and then the bench vices, one centered, that's this one, the non-centered one, and though these both are rotary. Then I have the independent jar chuck with backplate, with where the holes are done in the rotary head controller. Then I have over here the steady rest with bearings, special for plastic lathe work. The chuck has to be centered on the back plate, and I did it with an insert of aluminum to center it first. After that I drilled extra holes in the back plate with some slots in it to fix the piece, the chuck up on the back plate. That's a special project. If you are interested, subscribe and I will show you the rest. This is my rotary head with a stepper house, automated with my invented all-in-one world's smallest controller. There are no keyboards and no program skills needed. Next video I will show you the basic 5 modes in this simplified illustrated setup with a drill, a mill, an X-axis, and demo examples. Stay tuned to this channel by subscribing. See you next time.